Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So this is official website. So first you have to come this website. After that, right hand side this is search icon, and then enter the model number of motherboard AORUS GeForce RTX 3080 Ti Extreme Waterforce WB24G. Then hit enter. Then click to product. After this is your graphic card, just click on it. After that, click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, 7. So any but driver download and install, the process same. Okay. So this is your driver, you can see, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. So after it is completed, and just go to this three dot and click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, then here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.